Hi, my name is Joseph Harrout, and I was assigned topic A, so let's solve it. The issue with this function is that when you plug in 6 to try to find your limit, you will get 0 over 0, which is undefined, and you do not want that. Thankfully, for many functions, there's a way to get around 0 over 0, and with some algebra. In this case, it's just multiplying the numerator and the denominator both by the conjugate of the numerator. So in this case, the conjugate would be the square root of x squared plus 13 plus 7, since the numerator is minus 7. So conjugate is plus 7. You would multiply the top and the bottom by it, both by that. And once you FOIL them and multiply it out, you arrive at this big fraction over here, where, I'm not going to read that all out, but essentially you can cancel out these two terms, plus 7 times the square root of x squared plus 13 and minus 7 times the square root of x squared plus 13, which leaves you with x squared plus 13 minus 49 over x minus 6 times the square root of x squared plus 13 plus 7. So once you simplify all that out, you can subtract away the 49. You'll be left with x squared minus 36 over x minus 6 times square root of x squared plus 13 plus 7. From there, you factor out the top, which will leave you with x minus 6 and x plus 6, which means you can cancel both of the x minus 6's from the numerator and the denominator, which leaves you with x plus 6 and on the numerator, and in the denominator, the square root of x squared plus 13 plus 7. From there, we can finally plug in the 6 to find out what the limit is, since it won't result in a 0 over 0, which we get 6 plus 6 over the square root of 6 squared plus 13 plus 7, which leaves us, once we simplify all that out, to 12 over 14, or 6 over 7, which is our limit, which means that as x approaches 6, y gets closer and closer to 6 over 7, but it will never touch it. Thank you.